Like we always do about this time.
What's the deal, peeps? It's your boy back with another video. Today, I'm going to write a melodic track, but I'm going to kind of dial it back a little bit for the guys that are kind of just getting started with trying to make melodic rap. I'm going to show you my step-by-step process, not only step-by-step process of coming up with lines, but my step-by-step process of writing a song. If you follow these steps, you should never get lost in the creative process. You follow these steps, it should be hard to get stuck because, like I always tell guys, you can always revert back to the previous step and it will always lead you to where to go next, okay? Always look back at the previous steps and it will lead you to go next, okay? We get first things first, we get our mood, you know what I'm saying? And we down somewhere in our verse and we get to talking about stuff that ain't really related. We got to remember our mood that we got at the beginning, and then we go back to that. That's going to help us snap back. You know what I'm saying? And say, for instance, we're in our chorus or whatever, and we don't know, what to say in the chorus. Let's go back to our title. What are we talking about our title? What is our title? Let's make sure we're driving that point home. Every single step should lead you to the next step. And if you get lost on a step, the previous steps will help you get to the next step, okay? So without any further ado, let's get into it. This beat I picked is called Think of You. Free Lil Durk type beat produced by J.I.J. if you want to write along with me, okay? And so when I hear this beat, it's like a sad vibe, okay? The first thing I want to do is find my vibe, okay? Let's say I just happen to go in the studio. I kind of want to make a song with some real rap, talking about life, whatever, and so I go find the beat. I'll listen to this beat. I'm digging this beat. And this beat got like a regretful feeling. So it's like, man, okay. That's the vibe, the feeling I get, like a regret, like looking back and regretting mistakes, past mistakes, right? So I'll take that and boom, that's the mood for my song. Okay, regret, past mistakes, everything. And so let me think of a title. Regrets. Let's go with, to be simple, remorseful. Okay, remorseful. I'm not even sure if I spelled that right. Okay. Now I got my vibe, I got my mood. Now I have my title, okay? What's next? Now I'm going straight for the chorus. The first thing I want to do is think of my chorus, okay? And so what I'm going to do is try to fit in my title with a melody, fit in my title with a rhythm. Whatever I can that sounds dope to the ear, that sounds pleasing to the ear, that's going to be my chorus idea. That's going to be the main idea for my chorus. And notice how I'm using the previous step. I'm using my title to get that. Okay? And so you're going to see me mumbling, but as I mumble, I'm going to be using half words and words that really don't make sense, but just follow along. Remorseful. Feeling so remorseful. Okay, so feeling like a lost soul. I don't like that. See, I'm trying to find remorseful. Okay, and then I'm awful. And then my heart I like the North Pole. Okay. What I always tell you guys, number one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my voice recorder. I'm not going to leave any of this up to chance. I don't want to forget the flow. I don't want to forget the melody. Oh, okay. Lately, I've been feeling like a lost soul. All of this shit that... Lately. Okay. Okay. Now, a lot of times in rap music, melodic rap music, you're going to find the melodic leap typically at the end. Why? Because we're rapping and we're rhyming the syllables. So it's only natural that it would be at the end where the rhyme is. Now, if we're doing R&B or we're doing any other type of melodies, rock melodies, R&B melodies, whatever, then we can switch it up a little bit. We have freedom. But if I'm putting leaps all in, all through it, it stops sounding like a rap and it starts sounding more sing-songy, okay? And there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you're going for. But I'm just letting you know that's what you're dealing with when you choose to make that decision, you know? It's not a good or a bad decision, okay? But I'll usually when I'm making my melodic rap, I'm going to have my leap at the end because it's going to sound good because I'm going to be rhyming, okay? Lately, I've been feeling like a lost soul. Okay. Okay, I'm still recording. Lately, been feeling like a lost soul. All this drama, baby, I don't feel remorseful. Take my chain off, harder like the North Pole. I just roll another wood and let my thoughts go. Okay, now, two things that I did there. You see where I put my leap, man. Like a lost soul, and it's so remorseful. Harder like the North Pole. I just roll another wood and let my thoughts go. Okay, now I could have easily made this last line like the others. No. I just roll another wood and let my thoughts go. But what I did was I changed it up slightly and I went with a lower note, so it adds kind of like a ending, a conclusion to that part. So it sounds like, lately I've been feeling like a lost soul. All this drama, baby, I don't feel remorseful. Take my chain off, hard as like the North Pole. I just roll another wood and let my thoughts go. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. That's kind of what I'm going for. Okay, so let me play it with the beat to see where we at. Okay. Come on, where's the beat? And I gotta change this because I got feel in both lines. Lately, I've been feeling so remorseful. All this drama, baby, I don't feel remorseful. Take my chain off, harder like the North Pole. Just roll another wood and let my thoughts go. Oh.